Hey guys, it's Miss Stephanie. I am here to show you how to create your own Prezi presentation. We're going to be using these in class, so it's going to be really fun. Hopefully a lot of you have never done it before, and this will be something new that you can do. First thing you should do is go to Prezi.com. I've already got mine up here, and it looks like this. And you're going to click on Login. Miss Stephanie will let you use her email, so it's stephanie.overby@russell.kyschools.us. And don't worry about the password because I will come around when you are working on this and put that in for you. For now, I'm just going to hit login with Google. And once I'm logged in, you can see the presentations I've already done. And as you can see, I've done some for college already, and then I've played with some just to kind of see what I liked and which ones work well. So when you pull up on here, you're going to hit Create from Template, which means you're going to find one that you like. And if you scroll down to all of these, you can see a bunch of different ones. And feel free to find whatever ones you think are interesting to you, or maybe go with the topic that you're creating your presentation on. And let's see. I like this newspaper one, so I'm going to click on that. And if you seem to like it, you can explore it by seeing what it's like by hitting these buttons. Okay, and you can see what it kind of looks like. And if you like it, you're going to hit Use this template. Now, when you title your presentation, you're going to put your first name, comma, your last name. And then you're going to click over here to share this with anyone on the web. And hit Continue. And then you can see it pops up that you have a, your name will be up here, your title of your presentation, and on this left side you have all of your slides that you can view. And then if we go to the right side, you can see that you have an image area where you can search for free images. And there's some that are premium images that are locked that we can't use. But that's okay. It's really important to look up here at these buttons because this insert button is going to be one you're going to use if you want to add a video, if you want to add an image or extra text or anything like that, animations and shapes. You're going to come to this one. Style, I feel like we won't really need to work on and use very much, and you won't need to use share because Miss Stephanie is already logged into her account, and with your first and last name I will be able to see your presentation. So really you need to worry about is this button up here that has all of these. You'll need to look at this left side, and you'll also look. Okay, and now I have zoomed in to where you can really see your template here and how everything highlights when I put the mouse over it. And you can see your area right over here. This is going to be what you use mostly. So to zoom into a specific place to edit and change, Overview makes you look at the entire piece. And then if you hit 1, your first topic, it's going to zoom in to something that you want to talk about first. So it's maybe the first fact or about your story you're talking about or your topic, and you can click and edit the text here. You can click and edit the text down here. And then even over here to the side after we've zoomed in, you have subtopics. So you have a big topic over here, and you can click on your subtopic to get even more in detail and add even more. Now, if I want to get out, I can go over here, first topic, and go backwards. And I can even go back to the overview if I want to see the whole thing. Okay, and I switched to a different template because I wanted you to see another option that you could use. There's so many different ones. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, you can access your slides by clicking on them on this page. I can change the titles and certain things that I can change on here. I can change that to a letter or a number or whatever I wanted to do here. And I'm going to change this to Hatchet to make my title. And if I want to go in and really look at making a page, I'm going to go to page 1. And as you can see, on my page 1, I've got Hatchet by Miss Stephanie, so it's like my title page, and I even inserted an image to show you. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go to the second page. And this is my next topic. So after I've done a title page, I might want to talk about maybe, for Hatchet, I might want to talk about the setting. And I can change the size of my text boxes. I can make them big, I drag them out, make them smaller. But you definitely want it big enough that you can read. And then I can add more information below. So, the story Hatchet takes place in the story of Hatchet takes place in the Canadian wilderness. And let's say I want to insert something to make this slide a little bit more appealing and interesting to look at. I can insert images, icons, animations. I can even put videos from YouTube in here. Audio, sometimes I can put music or recording your voice. Those are all really neat ways to add something special. I'm just going to show you an image because that's really the main thing I'm going to look at. And when I've clicked on that, you can even see I can edit the font of whatever box I'm in. So if I click on this box, I can come up here and change the size. I can do a lot of things with the color. I can make it different. And for the background, there's lots of different things that you can play with to learn. But let's say I want an image, and let's say for the setting, I want a picture of trees. I can go to image search here, but it's not going to let me search for it here. So if that happens, there's another way you can look. So the easiest way would be, I would like you to go to safesearchkids.com, and let's say I wanted to look for those trees. I'm going to click in the search engine, type in what I'm searching for, and hit search. And some things are going to pop up down here, and I can scroll down and I see some pictures of trees and woods and interesting things, and I can pick whatever I feel like is the best. I'm not going to pick winter since Hatchet is taking place in the summertime. I'm going to click something like this, and I'm going to save the image as, I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to save it to my desktop, and then I will go back to my Prezi presentation. Once I'm back in my presentation, I'm going to go to Upload Image over to the right. I can click on Desktop. I can type in it. I can see it's popping up. Open. And there's my image. And I can drag it. I can change it. I can move it to make it smaller, bigger, or whatever I want. And I can manipulate the screen however I want to make it look like I want it to look. And so that is that. And the last thing I want to show you is right up here. It's really fun because all of your changes are synced and saved. You don't have to hit any saves. And so if something happens and the computer freezes, you don't have to worry because everything you did is saved in there. And you'll be able to pull it up next time you get to work on your presentation. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. There will be more to come for other things that we'll do in class. Thank you. Bye-bye.